Melbourne researchers are a step closer to a world-first vaccine to prevent type 1 diabetes. Health reporter Karen O'Sullivan says they're trialling a nasal spray that could be the key to beating our fastest-growing chronic disease.
Tara Pritchard is a fit and healthy 16-year-old, but the threat of chronic illness is looming.
I have a high chance of getting type 1 diabetes.
Tara's father, Peter, developed diabetes when he was 25.
My mother was diagnosed when she was 22 and her father before her as well, so unfortunately hasn't skipped a generation yet, but hopefully it will this time.
Researchers at the Royal Melbourne Hospital initiated a trial using an insulin nasal spray they hope will prevent or delay the onset of type 1 diabetes in patients who are at high risk.
This is a world first. Nobody knows how to prevent type 1 diabetes from occurring.
The trial is being conducted in several Australian and New Zealand hospitals and will soon extend to Germany. Taking part in the trial isn't a guarantee that type 1 diabetes won't happen, but for Tara, by making a contribution towards preventing the disease, she's achieved her goal.
I've seen that what my dad goes through with diabetes, and it's not very pleasant.
The trial has reached the midway point. More candidates at high risk are being urged to join.
I know that some people really don't like needles, but I think that every 6 months it's worth it if it could prevent diabetes.
If the nasal spray trial proves successful as a vaccine, it would drastically reduce the prevalence of our fastest growing chronic disease.
That would be unbelievable.
For more trial details, log on to our website. Karen O'Sullivan, 7 News.